Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix low volume on AirPods. So let's get started. First, try performing a factory reset on your AirPods. Open the case, hold the button on the back, and wait until the light on the front turns orange. This means the reset is complete. Next, close and reopen the lid, then reconnect your AirPods to your phone. If the volume is still low, go into your phone's settings. Scroll to Sound and Haptics, then to Headphone Safety. Disable the Reduce Loud Sounds Tiers setting if it is on, as this can limit volume output. Also, clean the AirPods speaker mesh to remove any dirt that might be blocking sound. Finally, go to Accessibility, then Audio and Visual, and open Headphone Accommodations. Turn it on and select Balanced under Tune Audio 4. Set the strength to strong to enhance soft sounds. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.